Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. We are officially on day 11 of my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Happy holidays. Make sure you guys are going to check out my previous 10 videos because I am giving you guys great ideas and highlights of different brands and products, and you don't want to miss what I've already shown you. If you're liking this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you all are subscribed to this channel and hitting that bell because I am doing this every day from the 1st till Christmas. So you don't want to miss any video that's coming out because as we get closer, the harder it's going to be for you all to get these items in your home by the holiday for him. Today's video is all about Vincero's watches. Now I know a lot of you all may not have heard of them. They are based out of San Diego. They are a semi-luxury branded watch company. This is for the guys who love watches but may not be able to afford the Rolex. Vincero offers a range of watches at different price points ranging from $90 to $500. These watches come in different variants, different sizes, different everything from your luxury to your military grade. They are amazing and I wanted to show them to you because once I got my hands on one, I find myself wearing my watch all the time. Now, just like everyone else, I'm not one who can afford the world's best watches, which is why I thought it'd be a great idea to show you all this specific watch. Now here I have their Chrono S2 stainless steel rose gold. Now I personally think that rose gold on brown skin looks amazing, so I went with this one. However, they do have 15 different variants of this specific watch, which is great. If you're wanting to get a watch that is 100% detailed to the person that you're getting it for, these are the way to go because you have so many different options, so many different ways to customize it through Vincero to get him the perfect watch. Now I wanted to show you all this specific watch because I never want to speak on anything that I have not worn or taken an interest in, and this is the watch that when I went on their website I fell in love with. This has been their best-selling collection for the last 8 years. Not only does it come with a 5-year warranty, but at the price of $198 with 30% off on their website for the holiday, also has many other features to it. For example, the marble case back, which I think is very luxurious, it's very unique. It's not something you see, especially with a lot of these mid-range watch companies. You don't really see them put the detail into their watches all the time. The glass is sapphire crystal right on the front, scratch resistant, waterproof, guys. This watch just is the watch that keeps on giving. It comes with a buckle fastening eco-rain full leather strap. I like this because you can tell it's not a cheap band. When you wear it consistently, you're not really seeing the leather starting to break. You're not really seeing any type of wear and tear out of constant use. This is something that can be an issue with lower to mid-grade watches, but Vincero does offer better quality with the more expensive watches. I really love about their watches is that they're not very simplistic. If you can just tell, let me see if I can show you this. A lot is going on up there. You have the second counter, the date, as well as a timer on there. This watch allows for you to do a lot of stuff in there and just for $198. I think this is a great move and especially a good, you know what I'm gonna say, stocking stuffer. I love the idea of a watch as a stocking stuffer. No one would ever think to look into their stocking for something like this, and I believe that this is something that is cost effective but still will hit the right note come Christmas Day. If getting this for a gift, you can even pay an extra $25 to have these watches custom made with an engraving. Guys, does that not sound like the best Christmas gift that you can offer someone? A personalized luxury watch. I don't think that you can go wrong with that. There is no guy who would be upset with getting a pretty dope watch. And it doesn't have to break your wallet. We're talking total about $230 with shipping depending on where you are in the world. But Guys, that's not a bad deal at all, and especially for something that we all know that as men, we tend to wear all the time. It's to give us that professional look. So that's why I really wanted to show you guys this watch. Vincero offers so many different kinds of watches at many different price points. You can do better than this watch and spend $350, $400 on a watch if you want to through Vincero. They're right here in California, which makes it a lot easier to contact, communicate, and shipping is a lot faster because it's coming right out of California. Guys, these watches are amazing, if you ask me. I know this was a quick video, but I really just wanted to highlight this watch because I liked it so much and thought it was a great idea for the perfect stocking stuffer. I really hope that you all liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I can know that I'm on the right track here. I am loving doing this 25 Days of Christmas series, and I really want to know if you guys are liking it. Make sure you guys are also subscribing and hitting that bell because we're only 11 days in, so we have exactly 2 more weeks, 14 days to go, and I don't want you all to miss any of it. But I want to know what you all think. Is this a great Christmas gift or not? Do you have men in your life who tend to wear a watch and believe would love this? Then let me know what you think. Go to their website and look at the different variants of this watch, which is my favorite, and let me know which one is your favorite. I'll have this watch linked below in my notes so that you all can go check out specifically this watch and all their other ones. But that's all I have for you guys today. This was a pretty short one because I really just wanted to highlight the watch because I like it so much. As always, guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.